The battery capacity for Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra has been leaked today, and the news isn't great if you were hoping for an upgrade compared to the S24 Ultra. According to the well-known leaker Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra will feature the same 5,000 mAh battery as the S24 Ultra. Additionally, the maximum charging capacity will remain unchanged at 45 watt. Although the S25 Ultra is rumored to have a significant redesign, it seems some internal components will stay the same. This move might be disappointing to some, especially considering that some of Samsung's Chinese competitors have begun equipping their flagship phones with larger batteries. Adding more context, the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC, which is expected to power most Android flagships in 2025, is rumored to be quite power-hungry. The decision by Chinese companies to include larger batteries in their devices might be a direct response to this. If the rumor about the S25 Ultra's battery is true, Samsung may be taking a step forward in design but potentially 2 steps back in battery life compared to its main Android competitors. After Apple introduced satellite connectivity with the iPhone 14 for emergency messaging, there were rumors that Samsung was developing a similar feature for the Galaxy S23. However, the feature did not materialize and was also absent from the Galaxy S24. It now appears to be in development for the Galaxy S25, with Samsung readying the satellite connectivity feature for calling and messaging in emergencies. According to findings by Android Authority, emergency SOS, emergency text via satellite. If you call emergency services when out of range or not connected to a mobile network, the connection will be made via satellite, allowing you to send an emergency text. Samsung Messages, satellite mode not supported. Samsung Messages does not support satellite messaging. To send and receive text via satellite, you need to set Google Messages as your default messaging app. Samsung Phone, when in satellite mode, you can send text messages, including to 911. Emergency calls may still connect if a mobile network is available nearby. You can send and receive text messages in satellite mode, and emergency calls may still connect if a mobile network is available. This information was found in version 15.500.14 of the Emergency SOS app, version 15.510.39 of the Samsung Messages app, and version 15.280 of the stock Samsung Phone app. The company is waiting for the satellite connectivity ecosystem to mature before incorporating the feature into its smartphones. While Samsung fans have faced disappointments regarding satellite connectivity rumors for the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S24, it seems Samsung has not abandoned the idea and may deliver this feature early next year.